Hi, I'm Saida, first year MBA learner at Savita Engineering College, and today I'm here to share my experience so far. So when I started looking for MBA, I was looking for specific factors. I was looking for dual specialization. I was looking at the placements. I was looking at the curriculum and the infrastructure and all of those things. Well, I first came to know about Savita when I was searching for colleges after my TANCET mark. I got to know about that they were offering scholarship based on our TANCET. So I reached out to the admission team and they answered all of the questions that I had. It was a very smooth process. I applied via counseling. So I did all of the specific requirements that Anna University has and I got placed here. Curriculum in Savita is very vast and you have a very different environment where you take the decisions for yourself. So we have something called FlexiLearn here where I got to choose the subjects that I wanted to learn, the teachers and the timings. And apart from FlexiLearn, other decisions that you make are also based on your autonomy. So essentially, it is you who decide how your 2 years are gonna go. I'm really appreciative of being here. Getting a scholarship is such a privilege and an opportunity. I get to meet a lot of people who are from very different backgrounds, let it be arts or science or even engineering. And also the faculties here are very much experienced. They are industry experts. They have worked with great organizations and now they're here to teach us. So it is an exemplary opportunity for me where I get to grow as a student, as a learner and as a future employee. Till now I have been part of a couple of great events. I have attended open panel where industry experts like HRs came and talked about how the employment is going to change in next couple of years and how everything is changing. And even during our orientation week, they had a couple of industry experts, let it be on finance or HRs, come and explain to us what are the other opportunities that you have when you go out of here, how can you prepare for those opportunities. Additionally, I'm also a part of a couple of clubs. I'm a part of ED-Cell and also I've applied to be a part of a magazine and our operations cell. Another highlight is Center of Excellence at Savita Engineering College. This center focuses on areas like business development, business analytics, entrepreneurship, digital transformation, and they also offer various activities like industry talks, workshops and everything. And this helps me because I'm mainly interested in marketing and operations and technology. So it helps me to understand how I could become better at the field that I want to be in. I also love how collaborative the environment is. I can't forget to thank the Teachers Day. As I said, they are great minds and they every day they come with different new things. You have case studies, you have interactive discussions, and additionally we have been given Business Smart, Business Studies and CMIE to gain more insights about the industry and also to grow as a learner. Lastly, I would like to thank for this opportunity to be here. It has been getting a scholarship is like a validation, so it is very helpful for me, and I'm grateful for everyone at Savita for making this a great experience.